Q6082-2. The most significant characteristic of group learning is that it A. Continually requires active participation of the learner. B. Continually requires active participation of both the learner and the instructor. C. Usually requires passive participation of the learner. The correct answer is A. In group learning, the most significant characteristic is that it continually requires active participation of the learner. Group learning refers to a learning environment where learners collaborate, interact, and engage with each other to acquire knowledge and skills. Unlike passive learning approaches where learners receive information passively, group learning emphasizes active participation. Learners are actively involved in discussions, group activities, problem-solving tasks, and knowledge sharing within the group. This active engagement fosters deeper understanding, critical thinking, and knowledge application. Q6082-3. The main advantages with heterogeneous groups are that learners tend to A. Think for themselves since they are in a group of dissimilar individuals. B. Interact and achieve in ways and at levels that are rarely found with other instructional strategies. C. Interact and achieve since they are in a group of similar individuals. The correct answer is B. Heterogeneous groups, which consist of individuals with diverse backgrounds, experiences, abilities, and perspectives, offer the advantage of promoting interaction and achievement in ways that are rarely found with other instructional strategies. In a heterogeneous group, learners are exposed to a variety of viewpoints and ideas. This diversity stimulates discussions, encourages critical thinking, and helps learners consider different perspectives on a given topic. By engaging with individuals who have different skills and knowledge, learners can learn from each other, collaborate, and tackle complex problems together. The interaction within a heterogeneous group fosters a dynamic learning environment where learners can challenge their assumptions, broaden their understanding, and develop new insights. This type of collaborative learning promotes cooperation, teamwork, and mutual support, which enhance the overall learning experience. Heterogeneous groups provide opportunities for learners to engage with diverse perspectives, develop their communication skills, and build empathy and understanding for others. By interacting with individuals who bring different strengths and expertise to the group, learners can achieve learning outcomes that may not be attainable through other instructional strategies. Q6082-4. The main reason that individuals are put in cooperative learning groups is so they A. Learn and help each other. B. Can individually achieve greater success than if they were to study alone. C. Learn that teamwork is essential if all members are to learn equally well. The correct answer is B. Cooperative learning groups are formed with the main objective of enabling individuals to achieve greater success than if they were to study alone. The idea behind cooperative learning is that when individuals work together in groups, they can benefit from shared resources, diverse perspectives, and collaborative problem solving. By working in cooperative learning groups, individuals have the opportunity to learn from their peers and contribute their own knowledge and skills to the group. Through collaboration, they can engage in discussions, exchange ideas, clarify concepts, and deepen their understanding of the subject matter. Cooperative learning groups promote active participation, engagement, and interaction among group members. Each individual in the group brings their unique strengths and abilities, and by leveraging the collective intelligence of the group, they can collectively achieve greater success than if they were to study alone. In cooperative learning groups, individuals not only benefit from the expertise and support of their peers, but also develop important social and interpersonal skills. They learn how to communicate effectively, negotiate ideas, resolve conflicts, and work together towards a common goal. These skills are essential in real-life situations where teamwork and collaboration are valued. While cooperative learning groups emphasize individual success, it is important to note that the success of each individual is interconnected with the success of the group. When all members actively contribute and support each other's learning, the group as a whole can achieve higher levels of success. Q6082-5, an instructional strategy which organizes individuals into small groups so that they can work together to maximize their own and each other's learning is A. Workshop learning. B. Heterogeneous group learning. C. Cooperative or group learning. The correct answer is C. Cooperative or group learning is an instructional strategy that organizes individuals into small groups, allowing them to work together to maximize their own and each other's learning. In this approach, learners actively engage in collaborative activities, such as discussions, problem-solving, and project-based tasks, to achieve common learning goals. Cooperative or group learning emphasizes the importance of teamwork, mutual support, and shared responsibility among group members. It encourages active participation, interaction, and cooperation, promoting a positive and collaborative learning environment. By working in small groups, learners have the opportunity to share their knowledge, perspectives, and skills with others. They can engage in meaningful discussions, exchange ideas, and contribute to the group's collective understanding of the subject matter. Through collaborative problem-solving, learners can explore different approaches, learn from each other's strategies, and develop critical thinking and decision-making skills. Cooperative or group learning also fosters the development of social and interpersonal skills. Learners practice communication, active listening, and effective collaboration within their groups. They learn how to respect diverse viewpoints, resolve conflicts, and work together towards common goals. These skills are valuable not only in academic settings, but also in real-life situations that require teamwork and collaboration. One of the key benefits of cooperative or group learning is that it promotes a supportive and inclusive learning environment. Learners can provide assistance, feedback, and encouragement to their peers, fostering a sense of collective responsibility for each other's learning outcomes. By working together and supporting each other's progress, individuals can enhance their own understanding and retention of the material. Q6077, which is a true statement regarding the teaching lecture? A. Delivering the lecture in a manner is not recommended. B. Instructor receives direct feedback from learners which is easy to interpret. C. Instructor must develop a keen perception for subtle responses and able to interpret the meaning of those reactions. The correct answer is C. When delivering a teaching lecture, the instructor plays a crucial role in gauging the learner's responses and understanding. During a teaching lecture, learners may not always provide overt or immediate feedback to the instructor. However, their responses and reactions can still offer valuable insights into their understanding, engagement, and level of comprehension. It is the instructor's responsibility to develop a keen perception for these subtle responses and be able to interpret their meaning. By observing learners' body language, facial expressions, attentiveness, and other nonverbal cues, the instructor can gain valuable information about how well the material is being received and understood. For example, if learners appear confused, disengaged, or distracted, it may indicate a need for clarification or adjustment in the delivery of the lecture. On the other hand, if learners seem engaged, focused, and responsive, it may indicate a higher level of comprehension and engagement. Developing this keen perception and interpretive ability requires experience, observation skills, and an understanding of learner behavior. It allows the instructor to make informed decisions during the lecture, such as adjusting the pace, providing additional examples or explanations, or addressing questions or concerns that may arise.